Hey, Atlanta. We get a lot of questions about fees. We often hear, why is X on cosmetic dentistry sometimes very expensive? And I totally understand that. It's a big investment, and you hear a lot of stories when it doesn't work out. Just think about the time when you needed a car or house repair. The results just didn't turn out very well. It didn't last long. You're frustrated and you say, I spent all that money. And I had to find an expert to redo what should have been done correctly the first time. If you've been smiling with your mouth closed or avoiding the camera or wincing when you see your own picture, just do it right. Poor results with a smile enhancement. It's not like having a bad haircut. It's physically, financially, and emotionally a disaster. It really saddens me when I see this happen to patients who, let's say, leave the country for tourist dentistry. This ultimately fails, or maybe you just said, I'm going to just use a cheap dentist down the street. Fees come down to four basic things. Most of it has to do with experience. The longer you've been doing your craft like me and have more training and validated credentials, you have a better chance of getting results that will be outstanding. Secondly, let's just say you're having porcelain put on your teeth. We have to use expensive labs to create beautiful shapes and contours and translucency so you can avoid that chiclet fake look. And sometimes they don't even fit properly. An expert ceramist is essential to long-term results. Third, surrounding my patients, who I like to treat like family, requires a team that will comfort you and specialists that will serve your needs. Let's just say you have a complex problem in your gums or your roots, or you need an implant. It's very important to have those correct people. And lastly, and probably the most important thing, are what are your expectations? When you look in that mirror and you see how many teeth are missing or just you're unhappy with them, how do you want to improve? How many do you want to improve? A conservative solution can involve just a few teeth, or maybe you need more. I don't know. You have to determine that. But if you want to have a big smile and you want to avoid all the flaws and you want to have more teeth to look great, you have to treat more teeth. So depending on the materials that we use for your smile enhancement, could be bonding, could be porcelain, your fees could range from a few $1,000s for maybe 4 teeth and go up to $30,000 or $40,000 if we're treating 10 to 12 teeth and there's some specialty involvement. Because of my reputation, expertise, and teaching other dentists, my patients fly in from all over the world. I think that's absolutely amazing, and I love it. They come to me because they want the best. I've fixed smiles damaged by rushed work or unqualified hands. Veneers that look too bulky, your gums left damaged because maybe lack of attention, and your confidence has been quietly lost because you made a bad decision and hate the way you look. I don't do quick fixes. They rarely last, and they always cost more in the end. It's never just about the bad teeth. It's about that self-esteem that just disappears when you have a bad smile. I don't rush what I do. I don't rush the process. I get it right so you don't have to go through it again. Investing in your smile is a long-term investment and can feel like a big decision, but fixing it later, that's when it really adds up. If you want to have your smile makeover done right the first time or have it redone correctly, we are the place for you. Do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Contact us through our website or give us a call. My friendly team is happy to help. And oh yes, to help you with your understanding and minimizing your risks, we are happy to provide you with my consumer book. It's really about everything you want to know about cosmetic dentistry and how to make it last. And you can pick that up at your first visit. We're looking forward to seeing you soon.